Now you can lay on your stomach.
Lay down on my stomach.
And if you want, there's an armrest right in the front. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty tight today. I'll do this a little differently. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Take a big breath in, and all the way out. Too loose again. Should be better. And one more time. And all the way out. Oh, there we go. Doing all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. All right, turn over onto your back for me. It's loosening up already. Nice.
Yeah.
You should drink a lot of water, okay?
Mhm.
Put that inflammation up here. If you have a heating pad, put that in your low back, actually. Okay, I'll help you sit up.